So I'm a huge fan of VR. As you watch my YouTube channel, I made plenty of videos of the Gear VR, right? The first gen, second gen, and we're in 2018, so I guess we're going to get a third gen. One of the limitations of having a Gear VR is that you have to put your smartphone in there, aka Galaxy phone, and you have some limitations with battery life, heating, and just putting the phone in here, period, right? So Lenovo may have answered some of them questions. They came out with the Mirage Solo here with Daydream compatibility, also a nice stylish build quality. So I want to give you guys my thoughts on the Lenovo Mirage Solo. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric again with another video. So Lenovo has sent me out the Mirage Solo for review, and I'm gonna tell you, I've been using it for a few and I'm absolutely in love with this device, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because with the limitations of Gear VR and with HTC Vive, you have to be tethered to a computer. This is a solo device that has good battery life, good functionality, a pretty decent build quality, and is Daydream compatible. So let's go and talk about the specs. Inside, this device has a 5.5-inch Quad HD display LCD IPS panel in here. We run it the Snapdragon 835 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. We got 64 gigs of internal storage. So using this device as a standalone device kind of separates using the Gear VR going into the Mirage Solo. Now, one of the things that I do like about this is its unique design. As you can see, the Mirage Solo has a nice unique design. You got padding all in the back, you have padding all in the front, and you can adjust with the dial in the back. Also at the bottom, you can adjust the coupling up and down. And I can tell you that I'm a fan of unique designs, and so Lenovo have took care of business with this. Now, one of the things that I do want to share with you is that while using the Mirage Solo, plugging in headphones is definitely the way to go, because this does not have an external speaker, which is a good thing because you want to have that good experience with VR through the headphones, which is included in the box. In the front, uniquely, it has 2 cameras, and it's called WorldSense. So this device has sensors that monitor your area and your surroundings, so you don't veer off and run into anything, which is a good thing, because once you get sucked into VR, yes, you sucked in. So one of the huge issues that might turn off people from buying this device is its price. It's a $400 price point, but what you're getting for the $400 price point is you get long battery life, you're getting pretty good thermals, because this device does not get hot from what I've been testing it. You get very good speeds because you have the 835 processor with 4 gigs of RAM. You got 64 gigs of internal storage. This is a complete standalone device, which is a good thing. So I'm going to turn the camera around, and I'm going to kind of show you some demos on how the interface look. Also kind of play a little game. I'll let y'all guys see how it look in action. So check this out. All right, so I want you guys to kind of see how stylish this looks on your face. And as you can see, you do have your adjustments in the back. All right, and you do have your adjustments in the front. So my first impressions, and been using this for a while, it's pretty light, and that's one of the things that I do like about it, that it is pretty light. So you're not going to have any issues as far as being too heavy on the face. It fits my face pretty good, pretty snug, pretty tight, and then you can kind of feel around all the controls here. Again, one of the things that you do have to understand to get that full experience, that you do have to have the headphones on, and it is included in the box. So one of the things that you have a nice controller. So if you have used Daydream before, this kind of comes pretty much natural to you. So the controller is nice, good stylish controller. Again, if you had Daydream before, this controller is nothing new. All right, so as you can see, it is pretty nice, kind of going around here, and let y'all guys see some of the interface here. The quality here is really good, even though it's using the LCD display, and it One of the reasons why they use the LCD display is to prevent ghosting. And as you can see, the frames is pretty good. And I'm actually a fan of how this texture look in the VR environment. Let me show you guys real quick. Underwater VR. Let me open this up and let y'all guys see some of the interface here. One of the things that I really do like about this is that if you are a fan of VR, if you're a fan of a long battery life, if you're a fan of just purely having fun, this definitely is one of the things that I really do like, because one of the biggest issues that I had with Gear VR is obviously the battery life in the thermals. And so you can play this for hours upon hours and not worry about if it's going to get hot, you know, stuff like that. So that is a good thing. And as you can see, the quality is pretty good here. If you really like VR and you want a standalone device and you want to have some fun, this definitely going to be a device for you. And as you can see, it is smooth, very, very smooth. And I actually wasn't getting this type of smoothness out of foam, so that's a good thing. When I first got into VR a couple of years ago using the Gear VR, I was stoked about it. And to have a standalone device where I could have very good battery life, they would give you that VR experience and that good quality. As you can see, the quality is this nice, right? Now, is it going to be the HTC Vive where you have to plug up to a computer type quality? We all know the answer to that question. This is a standalone device. This is a device where you could take this wherever you want to go. Full entertainment. You have basic good quality with this device. So let me give you my conclusion. The Lenovo Mirage Solo is a very good VR headset. Even though this is a lonely unit, I am definitely going to purchase one for myself. I am intrigued of using this. I've been having so much fun using this. It is a very good VR experience. Now, yes, it is pricey. So look what you get with the price. You get the 835 processor that's clocked pretty good. Also, you get 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of internal storage. You're also getting cameras here, sensors, all the bells and whistles. You're getting a very good, unique design, which I'm a fan of, by the way. You get nice padding. It's not too heavy, and it works perfectly on your head. Overall, I'm definitely loving the Lenovo Mirage Solo VR headset. This is Eric from Eads Computer Solutions. Leave your questions down below. Let me know what you think about the VR headset in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. I love this thing.